Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to edit your Wix website. So, as you can see here, we need to create our custom domain. So, enable for you to do that freely, you can go and create your own website. Now it takes time to create and customize your own website, so make sure you do that. And then once you customize your website, make sure to select the publish button at the top right corner. And as you can see, it gives us the domain, but if you want to edit the URL of your website, you can edit it on settings and go to website settings. And here you can edit your site name. You can enter the name that you want for your website. You can also go to your account settings. And here, as you can see, you have the site URL prefix that you can edit. And then that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.